Hello everyone, I am student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. My name is A. Purna Seshasayan, Department of ISC, USN 1VE22 IS001, and subject is DBMS, Database Management System. Now I'm going to create a simple database for employee management system. I'm going to perform DDL and DML commands, that is data definition language commands and data manipulation language commands. And let us see step-by-step process, how to connect the database and how to perform DDL and DML commands on the employment database management system. Okay, let me share the screen of my terminal. Okay. Now the command to connect to MySQL is MySQL. Let it be all in small letters. MySQL -u root -p. This is the command to connect to MySQL. And let me enter the password. This is the unique password which you'll be creating while downloading MySQL. Okay, our setup is done. To check whether our setup is done, let us see by running the command show databases. It has to show the existing databases. Okay, it is show databases. The spelling should be correct, else it will give error. Okay, these are the existing databases in MySQL. And now I'm going to create a database and perform some operations on it. To create a database, the command is create database and database name. I'm going to give my database name as M. In short form, that is the employee. So I've created my database. Let us check whether a database is created or not. No need to type again show databases. You can just simply use the arrow keys. Then see, here you can see our M database is created. Now we have to use this M database in order to perform operations on it. So the command to use the M database is use the database name. My database name is M. Okay. Now our database is employee is in use. Now we can create a table. That is, I'm going to create the table as employee. I'll use all caps. Create table and database name. I'm going to give my database name as employee. Okay, this is the table name in the database M. Now we have to enter all the attributes. What exactly employee contains. So employee database will contain employee ID. So employee ID will be integer that I'm giving in, and it should be auto increment. Auto increment, and it should be primary key. Every employee should have unique ID. It should not be repeated. That's the reason I'm giving primary key constraint. Primary key constraint is used to make sure each and every attribute in a table is unique. So primary key. Next, we are going to create an attribute called name to store the name of the employee. And name should be in string. So that is varchar. And I'm giving length as 30, which would be maximum. You can give even 50 or 100 as you wish. And I'm giving it not null constraint such that the employee name shouldn't be empty. And next, employee should also need salary. It's very important. So I'm giving salary, and salary should be decimal 10,2. Okay. Next, the job role of the employee. So I'm giving simply as job, and it should be varchar. Again, I'm giving the length as 30 and giving constant as not null. So this is the table I'm creating for employee database. You can even add still more attributes as you wish. For now, I'm going to add only these 4 attributes. You can see our table is created. You can insert a row into the table by using the command insert into table, that is insert into table. Our table name is employee. and attributes are ID, name, salary, and job. And I'm going to add values, that is one as ID, name as Purna, and salary as 10,000, and job role as developer. See, one row is affected. This means that a row is successfully added into the table. You can see the row what I've added by using a command select star from employee, that is select star from table name. So I'm typing the command select star from table name. Our table name is employee. See, you can see one row that is successfully added. The ID is 1, name is Purna, salary 10,000, job is developer. I'm going to add 2 more rows to perform operations efficiently. No need to type the same command each and every time. Once typed, you can simply use arrow keys. So I'm going to use arrow keys and I'm going to change the employee ID. Employee ID should be unique. That's the reason I'm going to change it each and every time. So I'm going to give it as 2 and I'm going to give name as Ajay, Ajay, and salary as 20,000 and job role as mechanic. Okay. You can see one more row is created and now I'm going to insert one more row. Okay. I'll give employee ID as 3, name as Rakshit, salary as 2,000, and job roles as sales. So let us see whether our rows are existing or not, or successfully created or not. So what is the command to give? That is, as I told earlier, select star from table name. So I'm just going to use an arrow key because I have typed it earlier. Okay, you can see select star from employee. See, successfully 3 rows in a table is added. Now you can perform this DML command such as alter and update and some more commands and manipulate this database. So I'm going to alter the column, alter table name is employee. And for this existing table, I'm going to add one more column with the help of alter command. So add section, and I'm giving the data type as varchar of 30. This is a command to alter the existing table. So alter table name, that is employee, add section varchar of 30 is an attribute. So if I click enter, you can see our column is added. Now I'm going to insert a value to this column. So for that, you can use update command to update the column value. So update table name is employee set, and our column name is section equal to, and I'm going to give the section as ISC where condition. So we need to specify exactly where this section to be added for which row. So I'm going to give the ID as 1 so that the section ISC will be added to the ID 1, that is for Purna, where ID equal to 01. See, we have successfully updated the table. You can check the table whether it has updated or not. See, you can see the ID 1, name Purna, salary 10,000, job developer, and section is ISC. For rest, it is showing none because I haven't updated for them. And also, you can rename the column name of existing table. So to rename the column, the command is alter table name, that is employee. Now rename is a command to rename the existing column. Rename column. I'm going to rename the column job, that is job. This is the old name to new name. The new name I'm giving as road. So you can see rows affected that which specifies that we have successfully renamed the column. Now you can just display the table and you can see Previously it was job, now it has changed to role. So these are the few DDL and DML commands that I have used on employee database management system to update, to alter, and to rename the existing table in a database. Now you can even delete the existing row in a table by using the command delete. You can also delete a row from a table, and the condition is delete from employee where id equal to 02. Now, this is the command to delete a row from from employee table. So I'm going to delete a row that's specified by id 02. So the employee Ajay will be deleted. So you can see one row is affected, and now you can select and show. See, you can see only ID 1, that is Purna, ID 3 Rakshit. You cannot see Ajay because I have deleted it. And you can also delete a specific column from the database. In case if you want to delete a column from the table, you need to give the command. Instead of delete, you need to give alter. So alter is used to rename a table, rename a column name, and also you can delete a column. So by using alter table employee drop column section, you can see the section column is deleted now. You can check whether it is deleted or not by using select command. Now the attributes are only ID, name, salary, role. The section command is completely deleted. So now these are the few operations which are performed on employment management system. Now to exit from the SQL command line, you can just type exit. So I've come out of the SQL command line. So these are the few commands that are used to perform on the employment management system. There are even more commands that you can perform on them. I will post them on my GitHub. You can just check it out there. Thank you.